joining us today as we delve into world of Microsoft Power Apps. I kindly request everyone to confirm if you can see the screen sharing properly. Please take a moment to check your screen and go and ensure that you have a clear view of the shared content. If you are experiencing any difficulties or if the screen sharing is not visible, please let us know through the chat. Before we begin today's webinar, allow me to introduce myself and two of our esteemed members of our team here at Royal Sabre. My name is Dishan Mukhtar, and I work as the global head of full stack services at Royal Sabre with 15 years of experience in the industry. I have had the privilege of leading diverse teams and delivering successful full stack solutions across various sectors. Joining me is one of our full stack tech lead, Asfandyar, with a deep understanding of Microsoft technologies and a proven track record of successful implementation. Aswan brings a wealth of expertise to our team. Additionally, we have Sarim Akil, our talented Power Apps developer. Sarim possesses a remarkable skill set in developing customized application using Microsoft Power Apps. Before we dive into the main content, let me provide you a brief overview of the presentation agenda to set expectation for what lies ahead. We will begin with the offering an overview of the Power Apps, where we will explore its capability and discuss the different types of Power Apps available. This will provide a solid foundation for understanding how Power Apps can revolutionize the way you build and deploy business capabilities and applications. Next, we will dive into the concept of Dataverse and the integration of data through connectors. You will discover how Power Apps seamlessly connects with various data sources, both on-prem promises and the cloud, enabling you to leverage existing data and streamline your workflows. We will also explore the vast capabilities of artificial intelligence and how it integrates with Power Apps. Additionally, we will discuss the integration of Power Apps with other Microsoft products such as Power BI and Microsoft Flow, showcasing the powerful synergy between these tools and their collective impact on your organization productivity and decision-making processes. As we process, we will explore Power Apps customization. This section will cover the use of custom connectors and Power App component frameworks, PCF, allowing you to extend the functionality of Power Apps and tailor it to meet your specific business needs. Furthermore, we will introduce the concept of portals with Power Apps, demonstrating how you can create engaging and interactive web portals that enable external users to interact with your Power Apps applications, opening up new avenues for customer engagement and self-service capabilities. To bring the concept to the live, we will conduct a live demo showcasing the creation of Power Apps application from start to finish. This practical demonstration will illustrate the ease and flexibility of building application using Power Apps and provide you with valuable insight into the application development process. In addition to discussing the remarkable capabilities of Microsoft Power Apps, I want to take a moment to introduce you to our company, Royal Sabre is a globally recognized technology company with over 20 years of experience in delivering innovative solutions to organizations worldwide. With a strong team of 2,000 plus employees and over 500 certified consultants, Royal Sabre has established itself a trusted partner in the technology landscape. With a global presence, Royal Sabre operates through 10 plus offices spanning across 5 continents. This extensive reach enables us to effectively serve our clients' needs on a global scale, providing localized support and solution tailored for specific regions and industries. Royal Sabre's client base is diverse, spanning across industries such as healthcare, banking, and finance, retail, manufacturing, and a lot of emerging sectors. We have successfully partnered with over 600 clients across the globe, helping them overcome complex challenges and achieve their business objectives. As a testament to our expertise and capabilities, Royal Sabre has established a strong partnership with various technology vendors. We are a Microsoft Gold partner, which highlights our proficiency in Microsoft technologies. Beyond our partnership with Microsoft and IBM, Royal Cyber collaborates with several other leading vendors, ensures that our client have access to the most advanced technologies and solutions available in the market. This partnership enables Royal Cyber to provide comprehensive and cutting-edge solution that addresses the evolving needs of our customers. Lastly, I will hand over to my colleague Kusarim, who will proceed with the presentation, diving deeper into the specific aspect of Power Apps and sharing additional insight and examples. Over to you, Sarin.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to this webinar. So in this webinar, we will discuss how we can transform your business data into insights without any extensive knowledge of coding. So, this is Mohammad Sarim Akil, and with me, I have Asfan and Ishan, and we'll be host for today's session. So, we have this agenda. You have seen the agenda. So, this agenda is packed with valuable insights and practical demonstration for you guys. So, let's start with Power Platform. So the Power Platform is a product of Microsoft that empowers organizations to revolutionize their digital landscape. It comprises of 5 products of Microsoft, which are Power Apps, Power Pages, Power BI, Power Automate, and then Power Virtual Agent. This integrated platform enables businesses to analyze data, automate processes, and build powerful applications without extensive coding expertise. With its interface and drag and drop functionality, the Power App opens the world of possibilities for developers and business users, which allows them to unleash their creativity and drive digital transformation. With Power Apps, you can build easily by just drag and drop functionality. And with Power Pages, you can build portals and customer facing websites easily. With Power BI, you can build the data analytics and data visualization. With Power Automate, you can do the repetitive task automatically using Power Automate. And then with Power Virtual Agent, you can create chatbots. Our topic of discussion today is Power Apps and Power Pages. So let's dive deep in. So first of all, let's start with Power Apps overview. So Power Apps is a revolutionary low-code development platform that enables organizations to build custom business applications without the need of any extensive coding knowledge. So whether you are looking to streamline your process, enhance collaboration, or improve efficiency, Power App provides the tool to make it happen. Power Apps provide the ability to connect to various data sources. You can connect Power Apps with any of the data sources. You can even connect your Power App with your custom built REST APIs as well. So as you all know, traditional development can be time consuming and costly, which often results in long development cycles and complexities. However, with the low code development experience, businesses can overcome these barriers. So Power Apps offer drag and drop interfaces and pre-built templates that allow you to create powerful applications with minimal efforts. Power App offers a versatile range of solutions that empowers businesses to create customized application quickly and efficiently. So in order to use Power App, understanding the various types of Power Apps is crucial in selecting the right approach to your specific requirement. So in today's presentation, we will discuss all 3 types of Power App so that you can get the better insight which app to use according to your specific requirement. So here we have 3 types of Power App: Canvas app, model driven app, and Power Pages for portals. So let's start with Canvas app first. So Canvas apps provide a blank canvas where you have complete control over the app's design and user experience. You can create pixel perfect interfaces by dragging and dropping elements. So those elements include button, galleries, forms, and much more. So it also has Excel-like formula logic for business logics. And Canvas apps are highly flexible and ideal for scenarios where you need full creative control and want to build your application from scratch. So these apps can be designed for web browsers, tablets, mobile devices, which ensures their seamless user experience across platforms. So next up, we have the model-driven apps. The model-driven apps are data-centric applications that are built on top of Dataverse. So we'll discuss more in detail about Dataverse later in this session. So model-driven app leverages predefined data models and components, which allows you to quickly create powerful apps without starting from scratch. With model-driven app, you can take advantage of out-of-the-box functionalities like data validation, business rules, and form layouts. These apps are ideal for scenarios where you need to manage and interact complex data structures and want a structured approach to app development. And then lastly, we have the Power Pages for portals. So portal apps extend the reach of your Power Apps to external users such as customers, partners, or any community members. These apps enables you to create web portals that provide secure access to specific data and functionalities. You can build self-service portal, customer service portal, event registration portal, and much more. So these all the portals are pre-built templates that are available here in Power Pages. Power Apps, portal apps enhance collaboration, engagement, and self-service capabilities, which helps organizations which are seeking to connect and empower external stakeholders. So now we'll discuss about Dataverse. Dataverse is a cloud-based storage and managed Dataverse is a cloud-based storage and management service that is built on top of Azure. It provides a unified and secure foundation for building powerful business applications. So with its robust capabilities, Dataverse empowers organizations to store, model, and manage data, which ensures consistency, reliability across their applications. One of the key strengths of Dataverse is its ability to facilitate data modeling. So we can define entities, fields, and relationship within Dataverse itself. Businesses can create structured data models that align with their unique business requirements. This enables users to store and organize data in a way that reflects business processes, which makes it easier to build applications that leverage this structured data effectively. Dataverse seamlessly integrates with various data sources, both within and outside the Power Platform ecosystem. It allows businesses to connect to external data sources such as MS SQL, Snowflake, MySQL, etc. So there are a lot of the templates available, lot of the databases available. You can connect any of the database to Dataverse, which enables to leverage existing data, assets, and create comprehensive unified applications. So now we have connectors. So connectors serve as a bridge between Power Apps and external data sources, which allows you to seamlessly integrate and leverage their capabilities within your application. With Power Apps Connector, you can extend the functionality of your application by connecting to a wide range of popular platforms and services, whether it's integration with cloud services like OneDrive, Dropbox, or it is connecting with on-premise database. Connectors allow you to do that. Power Apps, as you can see in the picture, Power Apps have 200 plus pre-built connectors available. We can create our custom connector as well. So we will discuss more in detail about custom connector later in this session. Now we have the AI capabilities. So we have the AI builder in Power Apps. So AI builder in Power Apps empower you to incorporate artificial intelligence capabilities in your application. AI builder offers a range of powerful features that can enhance your Power Apps application. AI builder comes with a collection of pre-built AI models that are ready to use out of the box. These models have been trained by Microsoft, and it covers various AI scenarios such as detecting objects, extracting information from forms, and analyzing sentiments. With just a few clicks, you can integrate these pre-built models into your Power Apps, and you can start benefiting from these AI capabilities without the need of extensive AI expertise. With AI Builder, you can use pre-built AI models, or you can even build custom models according to your specific business need. AI builders allow you to build custom AI models. You can even train these models using your own data and business logics. The ability to create custom AI models empowers you to tailor the AI capabilities to your organization's specific need. So we can connect this AI builders. We can connect the pre-built, or we can connect our own AI builder with just few clicks to our app. So solution. Now moving on to solution. So solutions and Power Apps are containers that hold and manage apps, components, and other entities such as forms, flows, associated configuration, and dependencies. They provide a structured way to organize, package, and deploy apps and their related resources as a single unit. It is a collection of reusable components such as data sources, connectors, and custom controls that ensures consistency, reduce development time and cost, and improve collaboration among developers and teams. So that's all from my side. Now, on the presentation part, I am handing it over to Asfanjar. So over to you, Asfan.
Thanks, Arim. Hi everyone, I am Asfan Yar serving at Royal Cyber as .NET Tech Lead. I will let you know about some more great and useful features of Power Apps. Let's move on the integration of Power Apps with the Azure services. Next slide. We have lots of feature in Azure like API management for creating, publishing and managing the APIs, Azure function to build custom API or webhooks or other useful function, Active Directory for cloud-based identity and access management service, Logic apps to create workflows and automate the business processes, and many more. We can consume all of these services in Microsoft Power Apps as a pro developer normally does by manual integration with these services while developing any .NET application or any other custom application. It was all about Azure services with Microsoft Power Apps. Let's move on next slide. Connection with external services. We can integrate external service, external system, or external APIs by using custom connectors. As we know, custom connector is like a bridge between external sources and Power App. As we discussed Azure services in previous slide, we can consume lots of external services, APIs, or functionality with our Microsoft Power Apps by following a simple process. We just need to edit or create a Power App, go to the data section and select connector, find the specific service you want to connect with and follow the connection steps and your integration is done. And you can consume any service in your Power Apps. It was all about consuming external service. Let's move on the next slide. Another very useful feature of Microsoft Power Apps is PCF, which is named as Power Apps Component Framework. PCF provides lots of customization options like any user can create custom controls like drop downs, radio buttons, toggle buttons, search filters, and many more. So the question is here when we need the PCF. For example, a built-in control is not fulfilling your need, then like a custom developer, we can create custom control as per our requirements, theme design and limitation, and use it anywhere in Power Apps. In the same way, we can also create custom UI part by applying custom HTML, CSS, jQuery, or any external library like React, etc., and use it inside Power Application anywhere, anytime. The best thing about PCF is we can create lots of control and can reuse same control every time and anywhere without redefining. That's why it improves efficiency of development and code performance as well. So it was all about PCF. Let's move on next slide. Here are some code examples of components like we can create and add in our apps, or we can download our app and customize it as well on any IDE like VS Code, Visual Studio, or any other platform. Yeah. So let's move on the next slide. It's about Power App CLI. Power App CLI is like other CLI based platform. We can download and install Power App CLI on Windows, Linux, and other operating systems as well. Microsoft Power Platform CLI is simple one-stop developer CLI that empowers developer to perform various operations in Microsoft Power Platform related to environment lifecycle, authentication, Microsoft Dataverse environment setup, solution packages, portals, code components, and many more. With the Microsoft Power Platform CLI, we can use offline like capability for website customization by making changes to the website content. And once all customization or changes are saved, we can upload the website configuration back to the Microsoft Dataverse. It was all about Power CLI. Let's move on next slide and discuss about Power Pages portal. Power Pages portal, it is a super useful feature of Power Apps to build web portals, websites very quickly. Microsoft Power Pages is secure, enterprise grade, low code software as a service platform for creating, hosting, and administering modern external facing business websites. Whether you are a low code maker or a professional developer, Power Pages enable you to rapidly design, configure, and publish websites that seamlessly work across all the devices like mobiles, tablets, desktops, etc. We can create custom pages. We can use built-in templates, customize look and feel as per our requirement by doing some simple clicks or drag and drop functionality. Let's move on next slide to discuss more about Power Pages. Power Pages a portal offers lots of pre-built-in templates having lots of functionalities already developed in it, which can be consumed and customized as per our need and use this ready-made template as shown in this slide. We have customer self-service portal, employee portal, community portal, management systems, and lots of more portals are also available that are not shown in this slide. All of these portals have basic functionalities pre-built in that are commonly needs to be in that system. So we can customize any of the portal and add more features in it as per our desire or requirements. Let's move on next slide to follow the process. Some simple steps we just need to follow to develop Power Pages portal are like after navigating to the Power Pages portal, just click on to the create button from sidebar. Then click start from template, search template or portal. If you already have something in mind to develop, select any portal suits best with your needs from list below and start customizing and use it. Let's move on next slide to discuss about the features of Power Page portal templates. So the best feature of this is time and cost saving. By using built-in templates, it covers lots of development, structuring parts of application development that consume lots of time and cost. Customization, it is very easy to customize templates. You need to have lots of programming skills to customize templates. If you have basic understanding, you can easily customize any template. Scalability. Power Apps portal are built on Microsoft standards of development that makes application highly scalable even for large number of users and transactions as well. Security. All templates comes with built-in security that ensures only authorized and authenticated users can have access to data. Let's move on the next slide and we will discuss about some use cases that will help us to understand the advantages of Power Apps platform. So let's start from first problem, which is like efficient inventory management. We have a let's suppose we have a problem. Large retail chain like Walmart or Carrefour or any other facing challenges in managing their inventory due to sheer volume of products and location across the country. So here at this situation, what they need inventory system to manage inventory, barcode printer or scanner, employee interaction app, application to forecast inventory levels. All of these will cost them lots of time that will take might be months or years and money. Also difficult to manage all of these application hosting and security and backups etc. So the quick, reliable and scalable solution for them is Microsoft Power Apps, that offering built-in inventory management system, Power Apps AI builder for developing barcode scanner or creator, integration with Azure machine learning to forecast the inventory levels, integrate with teams for real-time employees collaboration. So all of these solutions are available on one platform that will be integrated within days or weeks. That will save lots of time and cost. I hope you got that how useful the Power Platform is. Let's discuss another use case example. So health, let's suppose we have a healthcare company, healthcare operation and improving patient care. So the problem is a company with a large healthcare provider face challenges in managing patient care across multiple hospitals and clinics, resulting in delays and inefficiency. So the things they need to cover by application, like they need a kind of healthcare management app to manage data of patients, appointments, their medical history, recommendation, or some common questions like survey normally they ask to every patient. They need to explore the results and generate different types of reports. They need to interact with all the employees like staff, doctors, helpers, and other staff that are divided on different geographical location across the countries or cities as well. As we now custom development for the application with these requirements from scratch will take lots of time and money that will cost them long-term delays and inefficiencies in their processes. So the quick, reliable, and scalable solution for the problem is Microsoft Power Apps that offering develop new Power application quickly or use pre-built portal and customized healthcare management portal to manage patients appointments with doctors and their medical history etc. Utilize Power Apps AI builder for chatbot to cover common questions or survey from patients. Integrate healthcare portal with Dynamics 365 healthcare accelerator for automating the workflow of tasks like patient intake, discharge, reduce manual efforts. Integrate with Power BI for interactive dashboard and reportings of patients and staff that will enable data-driven decisions and optimized operations. So Power Apps streamlined HR whole process, healthcare whole processes and reduce costs. So I hope you got a good understanding of Power Apps, its types, and its features, or how economical and fast-growing platform it is. Thanks everyone. That's all from my side. Now Sarim will give you a brief demo and overview of Power Apps and its type. Over to you, Sarim. Thanks everyone.
I'm going to demonstrate the Power Apps. There are three types of Power Apps: Canvas app, a Canvas app, model-driven app, and then we have Power Pages for portals. So I am going to be demonstrating all three type of them. So I'm sharing my screen. So here you just go to the URL of Power Apps and then log in with your Microsoft account, and you will be able to see this screen. So this is the interface for Power Apps. So it's very explanatory, like nothing. Let it load first. Yeah, so here is the interface for the Power Apps. So you can click on blank app directly, or you can go to create site and then you can click on blank app to create the Power App. So here we have blank canvas app. We have blank app based on Dataverse, that is model driven app, and then we have Power Pages, that is portal. So let's create canvas app first. So we just have to click on create. Then we have an option to create the app for the phone or for tablet. We can make it responsive as well later with the containers, but we have to choose one of them right now. So let's choose phone right now. Let's give it the name. So I've given the name. So let's click on create. It will create the app for us. So Canvas app, Canvas, we can create our own designs with our own requirements in Canvas app. So we have all the control to design our app with just drag and drop. So here you can see on the left side of the screen, you have tree view, you have insert, you have data and all the options. So with insert option, you have multiple options like text label, edit form, text input, vertical gallery. You have multiple input options available here. You have display option available here. You have layout options available here. You have all the options available here that you need to design your app. You can use any of them. So for the demonstration, let's pick vertical gallery. So here you can see the gallery comes up and I can resize it and it will take the screen. And with after the insert, here is the data part. So you can even add your data from your multiple resources directly into your app with just few clicks. So here you can see if I click on add data, I have the multiple options. Here are the Dataverse tables. We will discuss about Dataverse later on. So here these are the tables that we have on Dataverse. We can select any of them. If we want to select any AI model that Microsoft Power Platform offers us, we can select any AI model here as well. And then we have connectors as well. We have more than 200 plus connectors that we can use in our Canvas app to connect data to our app. So we have OneDrive, we have SharePoint, we have all the other necessary connectors that you can see. You can even connect with MySQL, MS SQL, and all the Microsoft platform and outside Microsoft platforms as well. You can even connect with Google Sheets. So these all are pre-built connectors. So let's pick one for the demonstration. So I am picking OneDrive. So I am connecting with OneDrive. So here I have connected with OneDrive. So here I have all the folders that I have in OneDrive. So let's click on document. Then I'm selecting the inventory data Excel file. I want this as a data source for my app. So let's select this. And here I have table. So I selected this table, and then if I click on connect, then data source, then that Excel file with the data source is connected to my app. And with just one click here, and if I select this table one, then you can see this data is coming from the data source, and it is displaying on the screen just with a few clicks. That's how easy it is in the Canvas app to connect your data and show it to your screen. So here you can even create the app with just data. So you just need to give the data source, and it will automatically create the layouts and the structure of the app for you. Let me show you that as well. So if I click on Excel, here you can see I have the connection options. So here you have multiple connections available. So as per your requirement, you can select any of them. So I am selecting this OneDrive connector right now and this document, and I'm selecting this same file to create our app. So I have just given the data source, and you can see it will create the layout and whole app for us just by giving the data source. So here you can see I have the whole app pre-built. I can click on it to view the details. I have the list here. I can even click on add, and I have the add form available here as well, and I can even add the data into the Excel file. So I have just given the data source, and it has created this app for me. So it's very convenient for some use cases when you just want the simple design, and you can even customize it. If you want to customize it, you can even customize it according to your own design. So I have one pre-built app. So let's show you this app so that you can have the better insight. So I have created this inventory management app. So this is very basic app for mobile interface. This is very basic app with the very basic layout of this home page. I have the two buttons, view all items and then view dashboard. So let's click on view all items. So here you can see I have all the items available. So if I click on add, let's give it the cost. Let's give it location. Let's give it assigned to, category name, comment, and then date. I'm selecting and deployment type. So if I click on this check button, it will add the data in my inventory. And then I have added one Power Automate flow as well in this app to automate the process. So if I show you my email, you can see I've got the email. Someone added a data inventory. You can even add the dynamic message in it as well. But for the demo purpose, I have just added the static data. So you can even automate the processes inside the Power App with just few clicks. So it's that easy. And you can even go back and then you can view dashboard. So you can even connect your data to charts like this in Microsoft Canvas app, Power Apps, Canvas apps as well. So it's that easy. Now that's all from Canvas app. Then now we can move to model driven app, which is the second type of Power Apps. So model driven app, as you can see, it is a blank app that is based on Dataverse. So what is Dataverse? As I already told you, Dataverse act as a API to our apps. So it is not just database or data source. It has all the capabilities that we developed manually. So you can see this is we have all these tables, accounts table. Let's see accounts table. So you can even create relationships with one table with another. You can even view dashboards and forms and all this stuff in tables. You can even add business rules in just Dataverse itself, and you can then connect that. You can even create your whole solution in just Dataverse, and then you can connect your Dataverse solution to your model driven app for the interface. That's not it for the model for the Dataverse. You can even import, like you can see I have the option for import. If I click on import data, so you can see I have all these databases available here. So I can select any of the databases and I can import data from them into my Dataverse and then add logics and all the stuff that we want according to our requirement. So if we don't want to manually add data, so we can do that as well. We have the data flows. So we can create one data flow, and that data flow will run after every hour or whatever your requirement will be. You can create the data flow, and data flow will add the data directly into your Dataverse from any external data source that you want. So you can use this to your advantage, and then you can create the solution, and then you can create the model driven app. So let's create model driven app. Name it as, and then click on create. It will create the app for us. Let's wait for it. So you can see this model driven app is created. So I have the add page option here. So I have multiple options, dashboard. So if I have the data in database, I can create dashboards from here as well. I can create even custom pages. But right now, let's select the Dataverse table. And then next, and I'm selecting this account table here, and then add. So just by selecting the data source or solution that we have inside our Dataverse, it will create the app for us with all the capabilities that we want. So So this is the accounts detail that I have inserted. Like this is the dummy data that I have inserted in the accounts table that we have in our Microsoft Power Platform. So if I click on one of it, so you can see all the accounts information are here. And this is primary contact for this account. So this contact table is another table. So this table has a relationship with this table. So that's why it is giving primary contact and it is giving here. You can even see all the related tables here. So activities table, social profiles tables. So these tables are related. So these are tables are related directly in Dataverse. So if I click on any of them, you will not see anything because you don't have any data. We don't have any data right now in our tables, and we don't have the privilege to add. So you can even create your own tables and create relationship with them, and then you can create this model driven app, and this will provide the interface and all the things required for it. And if I play this app, so if I play this app, then you can see we have the options available here. So one option is visualize this view. So I haven't done anything to like set it up, but it is automatically here in model driven app. Just click on visualize this view. You just need to click on it and you will be able to see the data. So here you can see the SRM Akil SRM at Gmail account this email have 4 accounts, blank email have 1 account, this address have 4 accounts. So all the visualizations you can even like customize the visualization that you want in Power BI. So that's how easy it is to use model-driven apps, and that's how powerful these apps are for your businesses. Now, there must be a question in all of your minds that we have the connectors like connect to databases and all this stuff. Let's say we have created the REST API and we want to connect with that REST API. We want to connect our app with that REST API. So for that we have custom connectors available here as well. So here you can see we have custom connectors option. So custom REST connector I have created. You can just create with few steps. Created the custom connector and I have set up the REST API. So here is the pre-built REST API that I have used in here. So you can see it gives us user details, ID, email, first name, last name, and his image. So this gives us this data. So we have custom connector created. You can create just by interface, like just by answering some questions and giving the necessary data, you can create custom REST connector. And then you can create your app with the REST connector, with the REST API as well. Let me show you that as well. So here I have this one app. So here I have this app, and this is very basic app with just one button and the same interface that I have built for other app. So here the main thing here is the user list here. So you can see the items. Just it is just like Excel functions. You just need to give the function here, and it will connect us. So here in the data portion, you can see I have selected the custom REST connector that I have created. So whenever you create any custom REST connector, it will be available here. So you can like search here, and your custom connector will be available here. And then you can select the connector, and then with the connector's name and then dot, and this is the function name that I have given when I was creating the custom REST connector. So this function name and just the data that this data is from this like this JSON. So you just need to give this function and then you are fetching the data from the REST API directly. And this data, this picture, this name and email is fetched directly from REST API. So I am fetching page 1 right now. If I give page 2, you can see the data for page 2 is fetched with just in a minute, just in a second. So it's that easy to connect REST API as well. So there is a custom option available here as well. So you can do that as well. Now moving on to the third you have Power Pages, which is website, and the Power Pages we have here open here. This is the Power Pages URL. You just need to go to the URL and you will have this interface. So Power Pages is is the platform where you can create the website, and this website can have the portal abilities as well. So let me demonstrate it. So if we click on create site, then we have multiple templates. We can choose any of the template here. Like you can see, we have so many templates available. So we can like choose any of them and then start building our website. So I have one website built. So let's see the demonstration from that website. Let's go back. So here I have this testing site available here. So let's edit it and see the capabilities of this website that Power Pages provides. So here you can see pages option, styling option that you can do the styling of the website. You have the data option. So same as the Power Pages, same as the model driven apps, we can connect Dataverse. Like Dataverse can connect external databases as well. So whenever we have the data in Dataverse, we can connect that directly to our website from this data portion. We have this home page, we have this multiple pages, and we have contact us page, and then we have feedback page. In contact us page, we have this one form, and this form is directly connected just by like editing from here. We can connect this form to our database. I have connected this form with our feedback table inside Dataverse. So here I have feedback page as well. This page shows the table which is inside feedback. So contact us forms, we whatever we fill we can see on this page, but this cannot be seen by everyone. Whoever is the login user, whoever has the ID, so whoever can log in can only see. So this provides the user roles, user or permission to your websites. So let's preview this website. So here we have this website. So this is the home page. This we got from the template. We can even drag and drop stuff, like just like you can relate it to WordPress also. You can just drag and drop stuff and design your website according to your requirement. You have the edit code option as well, so you can even edit it with the VS Code as well. So you have all these interfaces in your website, and then pages. We have multiple pages. So we have contact us page. So let's give the data in contact us page. So I have filled the form, and then if I click on submit, it will submit the data. So my data is submitted directly into the feedback table. So if I click on this page, feedback page, so you can see you don't have permission to view these records. So even though I have records inserted directly into the feedback table and I can view them, but I'll not be able to view them until I'll be login. So you can see I am not logged right now. So that's why it shows you don't have permission to view these records. So let's log in now. So here with my Azure ID, I'm logging in. It provides you directly to access like Azure ID. You can even log in with Azure ID directly. So you can see I am logged in with my ID, and here when I go to this feedback page, you can see this is the one that we have inserted right now, and these all are the previous one that we have inserted in the feedback table. So this provides the ability to like different users can have different roles. So this is what we can say it provides portal abilities as well. So in conclusion, you have seen like what how powerful it is Power Platform is, and how powerful this platform can provide the business to automate and streamline their processes, which increases their efficiency. So I hope this this presentation and demo provides the glimpse of what are the capabilities of Power Apps and what it provides to small business to even enterprise level businesses.
Thank you very much, Aswant and Sarim, for your wonderful presentation and the live demo. And I hope everyone enjoys the presentation content and the live demo we have presented for this especially specific webinar. Now we have a exclusive webinar offer to uh, for our audience. We are delighted to announce a special offer for organizations interested in harnessing the power of Microsoft Power Apps. Royal Saber is offering a complimentary 2 weeks Power App assessment to help you unlock the potential of this innovative platform. During this assessment, our team of experts will work closely with your organization to understand the business objectives, processes, and pain points. We will evaluate your existing systems, workflows, and data sources to identify areas where Power Apps can make a significant impact on your productivity and efficiency. Before we conclude, I would like to open the floor for any question you may have, whether you have inquiries about Power Apps, our services, or any other related topics. We are here to provide you with the information you need. Thank you. That's all.